Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, today in our lesson we are going to learn the short sound of a sound like ab, ad, ug, un, tub, khab, hat, bug, sun, mug. Now read with me. Ab, cub, hub, nub, sub, tub, rub, ud, bud, cud, dud, mud, rud, sud, ug, bug, dug, hug, jug, mug, tug, pump, gum, hum, jump, mum, sum, bun, fun, gun, jun, nun, run, sun. See you in the next lesson.